Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create online survey in Google Forms. So for this purpose, first you need to open Google Forms, then go to Forms or sign in. Once you tap on sign in, you are there on your forms if you have already signed in. Then for creating online survey, tap on blank form. So here I give the title to my form questionnaire, and in description I write for YouTube videos. Then here you have add question button at the right side of the screen. Tap on it. Then this will pop up. Here you need to add question. Here I add question gender. Then in option 1 I add male. Then tap on add other. And in add other I add female and prefer not to say. Then again tap on this plus button at the right side of the screen. Once you done this, then here tap on multiple choice, and from here you have to choose short answer. Then in question write email. Then again tap on this plus button. Then here tap on multiple choice and then tap on paragraph. Here I write question about you in details. So here I choose paragraph, so that's the reason you can add long answer text. Once you're done with this form, then tap on required button. Then here you have customize theme button. Tap on it, and from here you can change the theme of your form by your own. Once you done this, then you can send this form to someone by your own. So for this purpose, tap on this send button. You can send it via email or copy the link and send it. So that's how you can create online survey in Google Forms. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.